Affirmations to release negative thinking. Please like, leave a positive comment, and share this video with family and friends so that this channel will have a positive impact on many, many more lives. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I now release old habits and choose positive, uplifting ones. Today is a new day. I welcome health and happiness. I welcome positivity, light, and love into my life. I now release all that blocks my growth. I breathe freely and openly. I release all negative thought patterns. I am calmer as I embody positivity. I am thinking in healthy, positive ways. My positive thinking is powerful. I now release all anxiety and worry. I release the need to control people and situations. I am moving forward. I release being anxious about things out of my control. I release old pain and anger. I am liberated. I am powerful. I lovingly release everything that has hurt me in the past, and I am grateful for the lessons I learned. I am superior to the negative thoughts that I have and a low vibration. My potential to succeed is infinite. My thoughts are filled with positivity, and my life is plentiful with prosperity. My obstacles are moving out of my way, and my path is carved with greatness. My fears of the future are melting away. My mind, my body, and my spirit are clear of negativity. I love myself. I always think positively, and I always achieve great things. Letting go of negative thoughts brings me peace. Today, this day, I choose to be happy. I release the expectations I have for others. I embrace the present moment. I abandon old toxic thoughts. I control my thoughts with ease. My thoughts drift to loving, peaceful, positive thoughts. I handle hard things with confidence. I am always at the right place at the right time. I release negative emotions and welcome positivity. I am resilient and can overcome any emotional challenge. I have a clear and focused mind. I release any limiting belief and embrace my potential. I honor and nurture my spiritual well-being daily. I release the tension that is within me. I am what I think, so I choose to think positive thoughts. I am in control of how I respond in every situation. I choose to embrace my beauty and worth now. I am productive. I am secure. I am unstoppable. I forgive and I let go. I release all negative self-talk. I am open to healing in all forms. I am here to shine. I see good in all people in all situations. I am a magnet for success. I am a magnet for massive prosperity. I am a magnet for all that is good. I am easily replacing negative thoughts with positive, uplifting ones. I am aware of my thoughts. I am unlimited potential. I choose myself. I am enough. My mind is powerful. Today I give myself permission to be greater than my fears. I am strong. I am focusing on the good things in my life. I have the power to control my thoughts. I release all inaccurate thoughts that have kept me stuck. I am more than enough.